In this video, I am going to show you how to buy Robux with Cash App. 1. Start by logging into your Roblox account and navigate into the Robux section on the homepage. 2. Choose the amount of Robux you want to purchase. For example, select 400 Robux. 3. To buy Robux using the Cash App, you need to have a Cash card. If you don't have one yet, you can get it by opening the Cash App, tapping on the card icon at the bottom and following the steps to get your own Cash card details. Next, input all the required information from your Cash App card into the respective field on Roblox.com. After adding your Cash card details, proceed to purchase Robux. So following these steps, you can easily buy Robux using the Cash App. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.